Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So towards the end of last month, I let you know that in Edge Canary, which is an early preview version of the browser, Microsoft was rolling out a new layout for the Copilot pane, which was new native Copilot app features like we currently get in the actual app on Windows 10 and Windows 11. And they'd also added the Think Deeper option. And I have noticed today that in the stable version, if we head to Copilot in the side pane, that the same native Copilot app features have now become available in the stable version. Now, just a quick run through if you missed that previous video. The native Copilot app features mainly consist of the sidebar, so you can access your conversations and your conversation history from the sidebar. That's exactly like it is in the actual app. And something else is we get quick response and also Think Deeper. Now, quick response is best for everyday conversation, and Think Deeper is better for more complex topics. And I have posted a video on Think Deeper. I'll leave that link down below and in the end screen if you'd like some more information. So you have these two options for different responses when asking the AI chatbot a couple of questions. And this seems to be on a controlled rollout though to the stable version, because I'm only seeing it on my Windows 11 device in the stable version of Edge and not Windows 10. So it seems that Microsoft is pushing this out using a controlled server-side update, which is quite common. And if you do find yourself using Copilot in Edge, this may be a nice move in the right direction. Just bring in a little bit more functionality directly into the side panel in the sidebar if you are using Copilot. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.